Are we alone in the universe? Or is there more like us out there wondering the same thing? This question has been asked since the dawn of astronomy, yet to this day there still isn't a definite answer. We are, after all, a tiny grain of sand in terms of what we know about the universe. The limitations we face only enables us to know a certain amount. One of the limitations we face is distance. Using just ground observation with the large observatories throughout the world, and satellite observatories like the James Webb Space Telescope, we have managed to discover a huge amount of planets outside our very own solar system that may be similar to or even better than the habitable conditions here on Earth. The problem is, these planets are so far from us that we have to denote a new unit to measure this distance: light years. 1 light year is about 9 trillion kilometers. The closest such Earth-like planet is Proxima Centauri b, which sits a mere 4 light years away, orbiting Proxima Centauri, the closest known star to us other than the Sun. 4 light years is minuscule in terms of cosmic definitions, yet for us, it would still take a huge amount of years to even reach the destination. Thus, it may sound impossible to know the truth about these distant, mysterious worlds. However, there have been a couple instances where nature itself sends us an insight onto these mysterious lands. On October 19, 2017, the University of Hawaii's Pan-STARRS 1 telescope, under NASA's Near-Earth Object Observations Program, or NEOO, discovered an object crossing into the solar system. At the time, this was classified as a comet, named as C2017U1. However, further observations indicated no cometary activity. Around this time, the strange object was slingshotted past the Sun at an alarming speed of 196,000 miles per hour, or 87.3 kilometers per second. This made scientists temporarily classify it as an asteroid, yet as it moved further past the Sun, they noticed a slight acceleration, which yet again indicated a sign of cometary activity. Now proven to not be a comet or an asteroid, this unique object intrigued scientists more than ever. Debates on its classification slowly turned into speculation, with some calling it alien activity, others calling it a message sent by the aliens, while some also called it an alien observatory. However, such theories were quickly disproven as radio telescopes did not detect any sign of radio waves which would indicate life. So what was this object? It isn't a comet. It isn't an asteroid. We've never seen such a thing before. So what could this possibly be? Further observations of this object showed no sign of a spherical shape, but rather an elongated cigar-like shape. Data on the light curves also proved this point, and also gave us further insight in its appearance. The object had a reddish-brown color, like most objects in the Kuiper Belt. So could this object be from the Kuiper Belt? Its properties show similarities to D-type asteroids, which contain an abundance of silicates, carbons, and anhydrous silicates, where water ice can sometimes be hidden under the surface. These signs further gave us proof that it is neither a comet nor an asteroid. Furthermore, the object had an eccentricity of 1.19, the highest hyperbolic trajectory in the solar system until Comet Borisov was discovered. This meant this mysterious object was not orbiting our Sun. Scientists started to consider a new theory. This object could not be from our solar system at all. This theory made the most sense, as the irregular shape of the object meant it tumbled instead of orbiting on its axis, meaning it had a turbulent past. Scientists think this object is the result of a massive collision, which caused it to be slingshotted out of its parent system due to the intense gravitational effect of the collision, and it has tumbled its way throughout the Milky Way, until it reached the solar system and was slingshotted away into the cosmos by our Sun's massive gravitational effect. After this theory was proved to be the most likely answer, the International Astronomical Union, which is responsible for naming all celestial bodies that have been discovered, had a tricky job in their hands. They had to create an entirely new designation for this object, as it did not fit in any other one. Thus, 1I/2017U1, nicknamed Oumuamua, was the first ever interstellar object discovered. To this day, Oumuamua is still speeding past our solar system. As of March 2023, Oumuamua was confirmed to have traveled past Neptune's orbit, meaning observations of the strange object can never be done again. We may never truly know what Oumuamua is. It could very well be a comet, but a rather strange one with no coma. Or it may indeed be an interstellar object, which is the current widely accepted theory. The discovery of Oumuamua sparked a number of other such discoveries. For instance, 2I/Borisov, a comet that was confirmed to be the second known interstellar object ever and the first ever interstellar comet. Subscribe to our channel for more such in-depth dives. Thank you for watching.